I'm a barber. I cut hair. I'm a classically trained men's barber, I enjoy it a lot. I talk with a lot of people, and yeah, I was cutting hair of a UTA employee. We chatted for a long time about electric buses and history of rail and all of that. I go from Sandy to Bountiful to cut hair because the shop I work at is that important to me. Obviously, that's a long commute. Sitting on I-15 in the morning and in the afternoon it's not my favorite thing. The first time I rode on your train and I heard the announcement, I was like, is this guy like Disneyland? What is this? Am I? This is a great experience.
Every passenger smile.
Yeah, no, it works out. First time riding transit was out of necessity. I had a car breakdown. I was like in the process of getting a new one. I had been thinking like I should really try it, and so necessity breeds invention. So I jumped on the train and was like, this is fantastic. It was just so simple, stress-free, easy. So I won't stop. It's great. Biggest difference that I see day to day from taking transit from, we'll say the before times of driving, I come home in a much better mood. I mean, at the cost of at most 40 minutes a day, I come home I'm decompressed from the day. I'm in a better mood. I'm ready to play with the kids, and I'm more engaged because I've had the chance to just chill, relax. On a lot of the platforms, you'll see an ad that says, find your peace with UTA. And that speaks to my soul. I absolutely, have experienced that. That is, resonates with me because I can be more calm knowing that my commute is taken care of, that I don't have to worry about this, that I'm gonna be on something that's quick, clean, safe, and have no worries getting to my destination every time. I have a 2-year-old toddler. He'll even ask me, Daddy, you taking the train? And he's become obsessed with trains. He loves them now. And so we get to go and see them, and he's like, oh, that's Daddy's train, every time he sees Front Runner. Here I am at work, no stress. I made it on time, safely, nothing stopped me. And I'm ready for a great day of work. I'm all feeling chipper and fresh, and just ready to take care of people, ready to have a good time. My name's Zack. UTA helps get me where I'm going.